Welcome to another video of the top 10 of everything. Today we'll explain you everything about passive income. What is passive income and how are you able to earn money with sitting on your lazy couch and do nothing? You will find out in today's video. Passive income is a way of earning money with a little to no daily effort. Unlike active income, you invest your time or money just once and can enjoy the benefits of it for a longer time. You create a service or a new product, and after the initial investment, these start to generate a steady flow of income without the regular daily work. Like this, you can create an income for years with just a couple of hours of energy invested in it. Today we will give you 10 ideas of how to create a passive income for your own. Just keep in mind that these ideas are for educational purposes and are not an advice. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. Are you an expert in Fortnite or Microsoft Office? Take your passion for a subject and turn it into a YouTube channel. If you create good, fun or informative content, you can use ads or sponsors to generate your income. At first you'll have to build out a bunch of content and draw an audience, but as soon as you have enough views and subscribers, you can monetize your channel. At that moment, YouTube will pay you for showing ads before and during your videos. With 2 billion monthly active users and 1 billion videos watched per day, YouTube has quite some money to divide, and you can be part of this process. Just one video can create a passive income for years and years, which can lead to thousands of dollars. Number 2. Invest in the stock market. Shareholders in companies with dividend-yielding stocks receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. Companies pay cash dividends on quarterly basis out of their profits, and all you need to do is just own the stock. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the higher your payout and the higher your passive income. Investing your money in individual stocks can be risky. If a company has bad results, you will eventually pay for this. That's why it's better to divide your money over different companies. The best way to do this is by an exchange-traded fund, or so-called an ETF. You even have special dividend ETFs, which contain a number of companies with high dividend payout. Like this, the risk is lower, but the passive income of dividends is still high. Number 3. Create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over the long term. Your app can be a game or one that helps mobile users perform any hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it and you can generate money. If you show ads in the app, you can get paid by these companies. Or you can also add a premium option in the app where the users have to pay to have some extra functions or benefits. To create an app, you do need to have some knowledge, and it takes quite some time. But if it is a success, you could have an income for life. Number 4. Advertise on your car. You may be able to earn some extra money by simply driving your car around town. Contact a specialized advertising agency which will evaluate your driving habits, including where you drive and how many miles. If you're a match with one of their advertisers, the agency will wrap your car with the ads at no cost to you. Agencies are looking for newer cars and drivers should have a clean driving record. So make sure you don't have too many speeding tickets, since it will cost you money twice. Maybe you can even drive around with your favorite brand. Number 5. Invest in rental property. If you have a lot of savings, it is possible to invest in rental properties. Buy a house, apartment or an office building and rent this out to other people. They will pay you monthly rent, which will create an extra passive income. However, if you don't know what you're doing, it can be a high-risk investment, which can lead to a loss of money. So make sure you get yourself advised by an expert. If you don't have enough savings to buy properties, it is also possible to rent out your own house. You can rent out a spare room, a floor and even a garage to other people. If you're going on a holiday, it is even possible to rent out your whole house to someone else. Like that, the holiday will pay itself. Number 6. Sell an online course. Everybody wants to learn in life, and some people even want to pay for learning a new skill. You can take an advantage on this by creating your own online course and selling it online. People are actually asking for courses in Microsoft Office, YouTube and programming. If you make a tutorial, people will be happy with the help they get and they are willing to pay for it. You make the course once, and if it's a success, New people will keep buying the course over and over. You just need to update the course once in a while so it stays up to date. Number 7. Rent out household items. We just talked about renting out houses and apartments. But if that's a bit too much for you, just start smaller with renting out household items that people may need and which are collecting dust in your garage. Lawnmowers, power tools, mechanic tools and even tent or large coolers. Look for high value items that people need for a short period of time and where it might not make sense for someone to buy it for themselves. Then put together a way for clients to discover your inventory and a way for them to pay for it. The best thing about this principle is that you can start small, but if it's a success, it's easy to scale up. You buy things just to rent it out, which give you your own small side business. Number 8. Sell photos and designs. Selling pictures or designs online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos and designs over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images or Shutterstock. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to find out where the demand is. Photos could be shot with models, landscape, creative scenarios and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. If people click on this link and buy a product on the website, you will earn a small part of this sale. Amazon might be the best known affiliate partner, but also eBay is among the larger names too. Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. Number 10. Flipping products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell products that you'll find at really cheap prices elsewhere. Your profit will be the difference in your purchase and sale prices, and you may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. With just buying and reselling these products, you can create an income with barely any effort. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification to stay updated and be the first one to know when we upload a new video.